These bottles are filled with sand that police say was stolen from a beach in Italy. Investigators say a couple from France was vacationing in Sardinia, spending their trip on these beautiful beaches. As a souvenir, cops claim they took 90 pounds of the sand home with them in their suitcases. A big no-no, according to a 2017 law that makes it illegal to take sand, shells, or stones from the island. It is a continuous problem on Sardinia, which is the second largest island in the Mediterranean Sea, and has more than 100 beaches which are made of fine sand or quartz grain. Now the couple is facing up to 6 years in jail and a $3,000 fine. They claim they didn't know taking sand was illegal. This is InsideEdition.com.